Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
I'm meteorologist Dave Warren in for Ivan Cabrera. Tonight here we have 84, so temperatures not moving much here over the last few hours. There's a light breeze coming in from the southeast at 7 miles an hour. It'll stay, it's steamy again, but mostly dry. The rain chances will be increasing, not the best timing. It'll be here for the weekend, and we have to keep an eye on the tropics, a couple storms in the Atlantic, and something that may try to develop here in the Gulf. The Next Weather Radar Network activity diminishing here tonight. Let's look ahead here the next few hours. We'll see these showers staying along the Gulf Coast here, and maybe could see a few showers that do try to develop near the coast. It's right at the end there. There's the clock, 4 or 5 o'clock. Showers developing right near the coast, but still mainly dry with just a few stray showers around. 84 is warm here in Miami, but we're a little warmer here in the Keys, where it's in the mid to low 80s by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. Low 80s briefly before it really heats up. Temperatures will be up to about 90 by about noon. There's some moisture coming into the Gulf. We're still calling it mainly dry on Friday. Rain chances might increase just a bit. It's Saturday and Sunday where that moisture moves over. Trying to work its way out by early next week. Dry air staying just to the north, though. We'll try to tap into that by the middle of the week, but at least we're starting with some heavier showers and storms pushing through the area here. We have to keep an eye on the tropics here. This is Kirk becoming a major hurricane here, but it's way out in the Atlantic, and the latest track continues to show it moving to the northwest and then turning north and eventually northeast here, passing well east of us here. In fact, much of the east coast here. Another tropical depression could become a hurricane, but that likely will continue to turn to the northwest and eventually the north and northeast, similar to Kirk. This is what we have to watch. Now, development potential is now down to 30%, so it may not be an intense system, but there's a lot of moisture coming into the area. Big circulation here, and as it moves to the north into the Gulf, jet stream dips to the south, and that'll push it right over us here in South Florida. So the rain amounts over the next few days could be pretty heavy, especially along the Gulf Coast, but we could be talking about a few inches here in South Florida and even in the Keys. That could lead to some flooding problems here, not only over the weekend, but to start next week. Again, those showers tomorrow morning will be very, very light. Temperatures will be about 80, but then we're up to about 90 at noon. We'll continue heating up here, about 91 by 2 o'clock. Then that breeze comes in, cools things off into the mid-80s. A few showers are possible there around tomorrow evening. Atlantic waters, there's no alerts. There's a light breeze in the Keys as well, with no alerts and a light chop in those near-shore waters. 90s to start the next weather 7-day forecast, but then we up the rain chances and lower the temperatures. There we are with higher rain chances Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday for next week. We'll be right back.